In the year 56, from Ephesus, I, Paul of Tarsus, by the will of God, write these words to you. Many years ago, while I was still called Saul, breathing threats and murder against the followers of the way, I was on the road to Damascus at midday when suddenly a brilliant light flashed around me, brighter than the sun at noon, brighter than any light I had ever known. It was living light, pure and piercing, full of love and authority at the same time. It was alive. And in the light was a figure. I fell to the ground, blinded, trembling, completely undone. Then I heard the voice. It was gentle and yet filled everything. It spoke my name with such tenderness and sorrow that it broke my heart in two. Saul, Saul, why do you persecute me? I could barely speak. Who are you, Lord? I asked. And the voice answered, I am Jesus, whom you are persecuting. In that brilliant, overwhelming light, every thought, every action, every hatred laid bare, and yet not condemned. I felt unconditional love beyond measure, a knowing. Even in my rage, I was known. Then for 3 days I could see nothing, yet in that blinding, my soul began to see for the first time. 14 years later, I cannot explain how, I was caught up out of my body, caught up to the third heaven, caught up into paradise itself. There I heard inexpressible things, things that no human being is permitted to tell. The glory was beyond words. The light was more real than this world. I was surrounded by light so pure it felt as though love itself had become visible. I was in the presence of the same Jesus I had met on the road, only now the light was everything. When I returned, I could only hold one thing. I have been trying to give it to you ever since. That in this present moment, we see only a reflection as in a mirror, dimly. This life is but a shadow, incomplete, partial, the edges always dark. Now we know in part, but then we shall see face to face. Then it all becomes clear. Now we know in part, but then we shall know fully, even as we are fully known. And we know deeply that there are only these, faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. It is the foundation of all things. Everything else, even knowledge itself, visions, even faith, will one day pass away. Only love remains. That is the lesson the brilliant light taught me. That is the voice I still hear. Love is all there is.